Hey, real estate and home improvement enthusiasts, find out what the National Association of Home Builders is saying about the housing bubble and possible housing market crash, and where to find free disaster prep guides for tornado, earthquake, wildfires, hurricanes, and floods. In real estate news, with the intense housing demand and limited inventory, talk about a housing bubble bursting is being heard throughout the housing industry. Recently, National Association of Home Builders CEO Jerry Howard told Newsweek that in the event of a housing market crash, quote, first-time home buyers are going to be in for a real problem, and it won't change in the slowdown. The next group that suffers the most are baby boomers trying to downsize and looking for move-up buyers, and move-up buyers who can't sell to first-time buyers. In Planet News, Rebuilding Together has free disaster preparedness guides to best help prepare your home for an earthquake, flood, hurricane, tornado, and wildfire. Head over to rebuildingtogether.org to download them. I'm Theresa with My Fix It Up Life, and you've just been served your home news quick fix.